Your transmission is acting like it has a mind of its own. Maybe it is shifting incredibly harsh, or perhaps it refuses to leave second or third gear entirely, forcing you into what we call a limp home mode. You pull over, hook up your diagnostic tool, and you are staring at code P202D, which tells you the transmission fluid pressure sensor or switch circuit is reading low. This sensor is an absolutely vital piece of the puzzle that lives either bolted to the side of the valve body deep inside the transmission or screwed into the exterior of the case. Its job is to take the physical hydraulic pressure of your transmission fluid and translate it into a voltage signal that the computer can understand. The transmission control module uses this live data to figure out exactly how much pressure to apply to the internal clutches and bands to make your shifts feel like butter. When the circuit for sensor drops to an abnormally low voltage, the computer becomes blind to what is happening inside the gearbox. It does not know if the pressure is actually low or if the wire is just broken, so it takes the safest route by locking you in a higher gear to prevent the internal parts from burning up. Before you let a shop tell you that you need a multi-$1,000 transmission rebuild, you absolutely must do some detective work on the electrical side. Most of these issues are actually caused by a short to ground in the wiring harness or a sensor that has developed an internal electrical short. Start by getting under the car and looking at the main electrical connector on the transmission case. These plugs are constantly exposed to road salt, mud, and water, which creates a nasty green corrosion on the pins. Use some high-quality electrical contact cleaner and a small plastic brush to scrub those terminals until they shine like new. Then apply a bit of dielectric silicone grease to seal out the moisture. If the wiring looks perfect and you have a steady 5-volt reference from the computer, then the sensor itself has likely failed. While replacing an internal sensor can be a messy job involving a fluid drain and pan removal, it is a whole lot cheaper than a new transmission. Always check for technical service bulletins first, because sometimes a specific wire rub or a known faulty sensor batch is documented by the manufacturer, which can lead you straight to the fix without the guesswork.